Hi, my name is Ben Alexander, and I'm currently a student at Colorado State University studying civil and environmental engineering. For this presentation, I'll be going over the benefits of solar panels. As a civil engineering student hoping to one day get into real estate, I plan to build homes and place solar panels on them, and here's why. My question for you to keep in mind throughout this presentation is, if you could save thousands of dollars and help the health of the environment at the same time, would you be willing to spend thousands up front? While you keep that in mind, I'll be going over the topics of what is solar energy, renewable energy, cost benefit, and environmental impact of solar panels. What is solar energy? Solar energy is collected through the various light waves that are emitted by the sun, which are then converted into electrical and thermal energy. Sunlight consists of 8 different wavelengths, and only about 46% of them are usable. These wavelengths can be seen on the image in the PowerPoint provided, and consist of ultraviolet, violet, blue, green, yellow, orange, red, and infrared. And the only ones that are usable are the 6 colors. Any excess energy collected through the panels are sent to the grid, which then the energy is stored and used by other people. So none of it goes to waste. Solar panels are made up of crystallized silicon, which is what efficiently collects the sunlight waves that hit it. Another benefit to this material is when crystallized, it also reflects some of the sunlight. Contrary to common sense, is actually a good thing because when the panels get too hot, they actually don't work. The average efficiency of commercialized solar panels on homes is generally around 20%, with the most efficient ever made being in the low 40s, but being very, very expensive. And every year the technology gets better, meaning they become cheaper, more efficient, and more plausible for everyday use. One of the best parts about solar energy is that it is a renewable source, meaning that it's not something that can be used up, and it's there every day. Solar panels actually work on cloudy days as well. While not as good, they still work. And if you need energy that isn't provided solarly, you're still connected to the grid, so you can use normal energy and pay for it as you would without solar panels. To install a solar panel unit on a home, it generally costs the homeowner around $15,000. Each year, solar panels save on average $1,600, meaning they're paid off in 10 years. After that, you still continue to save the money, so after 20 years, you've saved $15,000 on top of your initial investment. Another cost benefit is if you don't use all the energy you produce, you can get credited money back since it's going to the grid and being used by other people. Only 1 million homes in the United States currently have solar panels, and if this number were significantly higher, it would make a huge impact in a positive way. The average home solar panel unit saves roughly 1 metric ton of pollution per year, whereas each car emits around 4.7 metric tons per year, which means 4 houses would have to have solar panels in order to offset 1 vehicle. So it's a minor thing, but everything adds up eventually. And back to my original question. Would you spend $15,000 to save $30,000 plus over the course of a 20-year period and help the environment at the same time?